Let your respondents pause a form and finish it later without losing their progress. With Jotform AI, you can enable Save and Continue Later so users can return anytime and complete their submission. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to manage Save and Continue Later using Jotform AI. Let's get started. To begin, open your workspace and select Form to open the AI form builder. In the prompt box, type, for example, create a job application form that collects personal details, work experience, and documents. Click Send to generate your form automatically. Once your form is ready, open the AI assistant from the bottom right corner. You can chat with the assistant or use voice input to control your form settings. To enable this feature, type or say, "Enable saving form progress for my participants." Jotform AI will instantly enable the Save and Continue Later feature on your form. This allows respondents to save their progress and return later using a secure link. To test it, toggle Preview in the top right corner. Open the form in a new tab and start filling it out. Fill out part of the form, then click the Save button. A message will appear confirming that a link has been sent to your email so you can continue later. You can also copy the draft link directly from the pop-up. Now refresh the page or revisit the form. You'll see a prompt showing that you have an incomplete submission. From here, you can choose to continue where you left off or discard the draft and start over. If you no longer need this feature, you can disable it anytime. Go back to editing your form and type or say, "Disable Save and Continue Later" for this form. Jotform AI will instantly turn off the feature without needing to adjust settings manually. And that's how you can manage Save and Continue Later using Jotform AI. Give users flexibility or simplify your form when needed, all with simple commands. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.